Hello everyone, it's Charlton. Please subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell, like this video for me. That helps me to keep making videos. I'd appreciate it majorly. I'm gonna build like sort of a utility rack, wood rack to store some of this wood that's down here. Remember, always hire a professional. I'm not recommending you do this. I'm just showing you what I do in my job. This is one activity I have to do, get organized. But I'm using a miter saw. So dangerous, cut off anything. So. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter, but you know, at least I did my best, and I think it's gonna serve its purpose, man. I'll do this first just to put it in place, and then I'll screw it too. Yeah, I think that's better, definitely, actually. I consider just doing one of them, too. That works. Looks good, good. And that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like down below. I'll see you in the next video. Later, man.